another fundraising. Matia Mobi, focus on issues and not the men on grab, please. Okay, thank you. Okay. Yeah. So whatever we're doing, we need this money to do what we're doing. Let's move it and finish what we have to do. Open the better accomplish this Finland. And that would be the worst thing that would have happened for all these years that we're fighting this fight. All of these things are enable sense. It's centered on making sure that we don't do what we're supposed to do. So because when you reach out to mandates, they say reach out to them. Let them know that the government needs whatever funds that they have so that we can offset the bills that we have. Because oh God, I'm not low. I just wanted to put that out there so that I can let it out of my heart. Mandate in charge of us. I'm not in charge of mandate. Okay. I can't deny it, so please. Oh, good. Hold on, let me move the responses. Okay, go ahead. Okay, I can't deny it. So, yeah, please, if you're neighbor, if any neighbor, please, can you give me one? Can you reach it out? Can you adjust priorities? And I hope this is not. Okay, I know that you are somehow confused about the whole thing, right? What happened here is this. Can you hear me? Absolutely, yeah. Okay, what happened is that this is conversation. This is a meeting held by cabinet members. Nkere called an emergency meeting or fundraising before Biafran re-declaration in Finland. So this thing happened on 21st of November 2024. That is the day this meeting was held. Now, here, Nkere was trying to deceive Biafrans that because he is the finance minister, so that there's no money in the account, and he was focusing he wanted to focus attention on mandate account, so that people can now donate money on mandate to him, because they called him to bring money for to solve some issues in Finland. Before the convention. So he claimed that he don't have any money in the account, that they should use the money in the mandate account because he's not the one in charge of mandate account. I think he's COS. Now that mandate account, he was calling for that money to transfer. In fact, he said that he's aware there's money in the account. Okay, the money in that account, people should just go there and donate, and they should take people in charge of mandate to transfer the money to government account, or if they want to spend anything, they should call people that have mandate account, that people are that he has spent a lot of money in this issue, that he's one everybody is calling to bring money. Then if you say that he's not, that he cannot be here as finance minister, and somebody is parading him or herself as a leader, why, if there's any problem in the government, they start calling on him? So that he was trying to say those things so people can now focus on him and see him as the leader of this. Yes, or guy, you understand? He miss a lot, to be honest with you, because we have said something about those things. He was trying to, he even said that he went as far as saying that COS and Uche, everybody should report to him. That if they say there's no money in the account, they should come to him to report to him that there's no money in the account. You get the point? So he was saying all those things, and he called this emergency fundraising so that people can now somehow donate money to him in the name that the money that he's then people will now say, okay, because there's no money in the account, that he claimed that he don't have money in the account and all that, and he cares. That's why he's calling for people to donate money. He was doing those things to make sure that COS or USB government there's no money in the account to run the government, so that he will not be the one to force them, because he will refuse to bring money out. So from this beginning, honestly, it was sharing. Everybody should watch this video from the beginning, because it is very, very important, so that you understand. So the part where he was kind of lamenting that people don't donate is not, this donation is not about now. This thing happened before declaration. Okay, So people refused. People did not turn out to donate in that point that time because they know that there's money. That they already know there's money in his account. He was lying. He don't know that his second, the person that is signatory to the account that he's managing, have actually screenshot the balance in the account and send it to the cabinet, and every cabinet member have seen the balance. It was $68,000. Do you understand? Immediately when he noticed, he stopped attending cabinet meeting again anymore. They summoned him one, two, three, more than he refused to attend, allegedly. Then when the whole thing gets sour somehow, he started telling Biafrans using Sona Barawa that they're calling him for accountability. How can you call me for accountability that you want to take the money and all that? That's why I have to play that part as well. In fact, everything is in this video. Everything is this video. See this live broadcast. Everything that happened there, that like issue of why CS is asking for